So here at the Blackwood Uniting Church, or the old church, which will now be called something like the chapel, it'll be a community space. We're refurbishing it. We're going to have a look for the old bell, which was installed in the roof of the church and probably hasn't been seen since. So I don't know how many tens of years or 100 years it's been up there, we don't know. But it's up behind that vented louver window. That's where the sound of the bell would come out. But there was actually no access to the bell. So what we're going to do is go inside. We're going to cut a manhole. I'm going to crawl up there and see the bell for the first time in a long, long time. The bell hasn't been rung for a long time either, but we'll talk about that when we go in. So inside the chapel, Nick is going up to have a look to where to put this manhole. You can see the little round hole up there. That's where the sash cord came through, and people would ring the bell through that little hole there. We can ring the bell. And one of the people who used to ring the bell behind you, coming in now, is Robin's Anna. There she is. Hi, Robin.
Hello, how are you?
When was the last time you rang that bell?
Oh, I think it would be about 30 years ago.
30 years ago. Would that be about the last time it was rung?
Well, I would think so, yes, because we were ringing it then for services.
And then what happened? Did the cord break?
It did. The cord broke, and no one was able to fix it until today.
All right. Well, we're about to see. Okay, we're going up for a closer look for the first time in 130 years. And here it is. There's the old louver window where the noise came from. And there she is. So she was put up there 130 years ago and never seen since. It hasn't been heard since the old rope broke about 30 years ago. So we'll fix that rope up. You forgot to bring rope.
Here's a piece of rope.
We need a piece of rope. We need something. Let's take a closer look. It has got markings. It says Warner. J. Warner. Hang on a minute. Just get a little bit closer. J. Warner and Sons. There's the inside of the roof with all the old shingles in really good condition. No rats, no possums. No, nothing. It's very clean up here. There's the old louver looking outside.
There you go.
Here we go. Yep, okay, so we found a bit of rope. All right, so we'll just tie it up here. All right, well, Robin, are you ready?
30 years.
Yeah.
So now that we've discovered that it's F sharp, the musos in town can create a little song for when the chapel opens for the bell to join in. What's it going to be called? Do you know, Robin?